What I've learned from today's training, we have the motherboard, whereby we find the CPU and we find the cooling fan, and we have the video card, whereby if you put it, you will see the videos, and we have the network card also. Those are the things I've learned from today's lesson, and it was really nice.
I have come to know what is called motherboard. It contains the cooling fan, and I've also learned about the RAM. We have the network card, we have the video card, and we also have the power supply.
What I've learned today is the CPU and the computer. I have learned about the internal parts of the CPU. In the CPU we have the fan, and it is for cooling the systems. We have the RAM, we have the hard drive.
Actually, from today's session, I've learned mostly the maintenance of these devices. You know, you can't use a device without proper maintaining of it, and this includes cleaning of it. So we have to open them up and clean them thoroughly to maintain proper functioning of them. And I also learned that these systems or devices have some internal parts that are really important. I've really known that indeed computer isn't just working alone. It also has other parts that really enable it to work well.
Today I've learned how to clean the devices, the computer, how to open it, and how to also maintain it.
So we have learned also how to activate the computers.
Some of the girls, they thought the ICT is only for boys and for men. But since they have already learned that ICT is only not for men, so I think they can manage to repair, because it will give them some of the knowledge of repairing computer within the schools, even outside the school, generally in Africa, even outside Africa. So it will help them, because they will not remain in the same place.
This has been a great opportunity for me to join this training. As an IT person, I've learned how to repair a computer, how to maintain it. I've seen a lot of things inside the computer, like RAM, the battery, and what is the use. And I've learned also how to activate the computer. It's my first time, so I think this is a great experience for me.
I'm really very happy to be here. Most of the computers are actually clean. We actually mostly worked on software and application issues, like Windows activation. And then we are also currently doing Windows installation on some of the computers. But I would like to congratulate this school for maintaining a clean computer lab environment, clean computers, and up to date.